at Charlotte. 6th race of the winter heat is the last one, so hoping I can put a better performance on than I did in race 5. We're starting pretty far back here. Just gonna try and work our way up to the field, see what we can do. Okay. The fuck was that? Okay. We've recovered. I don't know what happened. It was so weird. really think the tires cooling down a bit is really what I needed, because I was sliding it too much, and I think I put too much heat in them, and then it's really hard to not keep sliding them after that. So letting them just cool down right here could be really, really, really beneficial. Now, generally over the weekend I've been slower than this 35 car, but I have passed him before, and I have been ahead of 16 too, so I'm really thinking I could make my way up through this field. I think I've been ahead 81 before, but I don't quite remember. We're gonna go in this time by, so I'm just trying to get some heat to the brakes and the tires and stuff. Alright, here we go. Start. But I'm leaking coolant heavy, and the engine's getting really hot. I think I'm sliding on that coolant. That's the problem. And my feet are sliding too because of it. I just want to keep it together and keep it here. The engine's smoking though. Just short shift it. Try and keep RPMs a little lower. Just keep it I really kind of scared. I don't want this thing to blow on me. I just want to let it cool off. We'll keep the ignition on so the fan's running and I can see temps. I'm spewing I'm spewing coolant and it's overheating. I can let it sit and then I can drive back.
Okay.
I wanna.
Oh, you gotta come out, man. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Do I still get my position and everything?
I'm not too sure about that.
Oh shit, really?
I know, I'm sorry.
It's smoking, you know. Oh shit, there's coolant everywhere.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You okay?
Yeah, no, I'm fine. I just have a tiny bit of smoke, but like I feel nothing.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just rinse your mouth out and just watch your nose. If you start getting congested, just kind of rinse it out.
Okay, thank you. Hey.
My name's Devin. I was in Massachusetts.
Yeah.
Hey, you ran all weekend, and you're a super smart driver.
Yeah, we had some good races.
Had a lot of fun running with you. So I just want to come over and say, like, thanks for running hard, running clean.
Yeah, it was
I know
awesome.
We, touched bumpers a few times.